Ibele. Jamaa kuiwa Tinubu Allah ya isa sobokwe. Jamaa kuiwa APC awuzu billahi sobokwe. We are here today on the third day of our protest against injustice, against maladministration, against subjugation, and against corruption. We are here on the third day to call on INEC to listen to the voice of reason, that we will not stop coming until INEC decide to do the right thing. And the right thing is for you to be an unbiased umpire. The right thing is for you to be a transparent referee. For now, INEC is wearing the jersey of APC. Will you allow it? Will you allow it? Will you allow it? Whether you like it or not, APC will be on the ballot for the next coming election. When I say APC, you sing for them. APC, ole, 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 Are you afraid? This country belongs to all of us. We must fix this country. We cannot allow one man to turn Nigeria to a kingdom. We cannot allow Tinubu to become an emperor. We cannot allow Tinubu to become a Kabiyesi. We cannot allow Tinubu to become Igwe. We cannot allow Tinubu to become an emir. Nigeria is not a monarchical system of government. What we have is democracy. And democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. If you love APC, clap your hands. If you love APC, clap your hands. If you love APC and you really want to show that you love APC, clap your hands. Please give APC 3A, yeah. We are here today to say the APC and Tinubu, they are destroying democracy in Nigeria. Instead of having democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people, APC and Tinubu definition of democracy is government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu by Sheyi Tinubu for the Chagoris, for Lebanese people. Government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu by Sheyi Tinubu for the Chagoris. Lebanese people are taking over our economy. The GCON is the second highest honor in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And this GCON is exclusively reserved for the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for the President of the Senate, for the Speaker of the House of Reps, and the Chief Justice of the Federation. Tinubu put this GCON in a briefcase. He put GCON in a briefcase and took GCON to Paris to give his Lebanese business partners. Three companies belonging to the Chagoris. Tinubu is a director in those companies. And these companies have gotten the largest infrastructure project in the whole of Africa. $30 billion contracts. $30 billion contracts. $30 billion contracts of Lagos, Calabar, Coastal Road. Kuimisha Allah Yaisa. Ashekara there in 1 year. Tinubu spent over 20 billion naira on traveling overseas alone. Today, Tinubu is completely off grid in Aso Rock. Aso Rock, they have cut off NEPA. They are not using national grid again. According to them, they spent 10 billion naira to put solar in Aso Rock. In your house, do you have solar? Why should the president have solar in the villa when the citizens are in darkness? That's why he went to Jos and told the people of Plateau that you people, you don't have lights. And I'm going to spend only 10 minutes because I am going somewhere. Very unfortunate. It's a disaster. Do you want that type of Nigeria? No! Do you want that type of Nigeria? No! Now I can say the Gero there. Now a Gero. Now I can say the Shinkapa there. Now a Shinkapa. The dawa ma yanzu ya zama wani abu. Kanwa ma yanzu ya zama wani abu. Bukara wa Tinubu Allah ya isa. Yau ya nuna kabilanci, ya nuna baya san arewa, amma ni Dino Melaye za mu nuna mishi cewa ni cikakken ɗan Kano ne. Kana wanda ba mun san mun sace. Ko da ka zo don nuna mishi ni cikakken ɗan Kano ne, don gaya mishi ƙofofin Kano guda 12, takan sakal, takan buga, gadon ƙaya, adama, ƙofar ruwa, mazugar, wannan karan mun lashe takobi, ba gudu ba ja da baya, kowane dare muna kurwan nan guda 1000, muna halatta hadisin gasha guda 1000, muna yasin guda 1000. Allah Ubangiji, ka karma da Tinubu. Ya Allah, ka karya mana Tinubu. Ya Allah, ka karya mana Tinubu. Duk manufansa Allah Ubangiji ya lalata su. Ranar 29 watan Mayu mai zuwa za mu kori Tinubu da shi da ya'yan shi har da wanda suke boys quarters. Kayan su na boys quarters ma na villa duka wa sai mun kwashe. Yan sandan Najeriya. Yan sandan Najeriya. Ku tafa musu, ku tafa yan sanda. ADC ya muku alƙawari yan sanda. ADC ya muku alƙawari. ADC in ta shiga gwamnati kun daina sayan uniform da kuɗin ku. ADC ta shiga gwamnati kun daina sayan boot ɗinku da kuɗin ku. Kun daina sayan beret da kuɗin ku. Kun daina sayan belt da kuɗin ku. Kuma kun daina turan motan ku don za a sa muku kai a mota. What we are saying is that Once ADC take over government, Nigerian police, they will stop using their money to buy their own uniform. It's an absurdity that you pay for your own uniform, you pay for your bed, you pay for your shoe, you pay for your beret, and when you die in service, they give your family peanuts. And even the peanuts, some people will chop them for up. They will send you without allowances. If APC come, all that will stop. And Nigeria will be saved again. Dama, abin da sa muka ɗauki maganar nan da mahimmanci, duk wanda mahaukaci ya taɓa cizo, in mahaukaci ya taɓa cizonka, ko makaniki ke gani za ka ruga. So we are using this opportunity to announce that we are peaceful Nigerians. We are here for peace, but we are asking that the right thing must be done. And all of us, we are going to vote APC out of power. Inshallah, kafin ƙarfe 12 ranar zaɓe an ƙare an gama. In ana tatsuniya ko kuna karanta maganan jari ce daga an zo ƙarshe sai a ce kurun kus. Magana da Allah ku yi wa Tinubu bye-bye, ku yi mishi bye-bye, bye-bye Tinubu, sai wata rana, gwamnatin APC za mu yi mata inna lillahi, ku yi mata bye-bye APC, bye-bye APC, ku yi musu ya so bakwai. Yanzu za mu ɗan taka rawa sannan a dawo. DJ.